Hello students, I am Vincent Fernandez, your math teacher from Sri Sarvagna Public School. Today we are continuing further with the lines and angles. We have understood what is a line and what is a angle, right? So let us now understand about types of angles. Let us take two angles. Say this is one angle. So A, O, B. So this angle is supposing 65 degrees. Okay, so this is a angle AOB, which is 65 degrees, which can be written as angle AOB is equal to 65 degrees. Also we can write it as AOB with a cap symbol on the point of origin. So O is the point where these two arms of this rays meet. So we can write it this way also. Okay, so this is 65 degrees. Now consider another angle which is like this, which is having a small, this is supposing X, Y, Z. Now this angle is only 25 degrees. So it is 25 degrees. So angle XYZ is equal to 25 degrees. So we can also write it as X, Y, cap, Z. Okay. So now both of these angles are less than 90 degrees, right? So both these angles are called as acute angles. Acute meaning less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees. More than 0, less than 90. Are called as acute angles. Now if these two angles are added up, so if I add this or sum these angles, what will I get? 65 degrees plus 25 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So totally these two acute angles are summing up to a right angle. 90 degrees is called as a right angle. So if this kind of two angles, two separate angles maybe, if they are adding up to 90 degrees, we call such kind of angles as complementary angles. So complementary means angles which when summed up becomes equal to 90 degrees. So this is about complementary angles. Now let us consider two angles which are different than this. So this is a complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles. So which are these complementary angles? Angle AOB and angle XYZ, when they are summed, then we call them as complementary angles because their sum is equaling to 90 degrees. Now next is if supposing there are two angles, one acute angle and other one as a obtuse angle. Let us see what is that. So here is an angle which is A, B, C. Okay, so the angle between here is 120 degrees. And there is another angle which is here, which is XYZ, which is 60 degrees. Now consider these two angles. Now this is less than 60 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So 90 degree angle means it is right angle. But less than 90 degrees means it is acute angle, as I already told you. Now this angle is more than 90 degrees. So what is it called as? It is called as obtuse angle. So when we add these two angles, what is the sum of these two angles? So 120 degrees plus 60 degrees. This is equal to 180 degrees. So we see that a straight angle is formed. That is, straight angle is measuring 180 degrees. Now if two separate angles add up to a straight angle, then it is called as a supplement. These two angles are called as supplementary angles. So these are both supplementary angles. So what we have learned today? We have learned about what is meaning of acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees, these are called as acute angle. Any angle which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called as a obtuse angle. Any angle which is equal to 90 degrees is called as a right angle. Any angle which is equal to 180 degrees is called as a straight angle. If two acute angles are added and their sum is equal to 90 degrees, then those two angles are called as complementary angles. If two angles, one acute and one obtuse, or two right angles, if they are added and if you get the sum to be 180 degrees, then those two angles are called as supplementary angles. So in the next class we will learn about other type of angles. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.